Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today's lesson is constant. In previous video I learned variable. So variable is the update value. Every variable declare, but constant is the not updating value. Initialization first time is always this value consider. So create let variable and declare let to create a constant variable. So type of string and declare some value hello YouTube and print out the string type of variable. Print out the value is YouTube, but update the value string showing some error. Hello friends. So showing some errors. This is the type of let. So change let to where to make it mutable. So not changing update value is let constant type variable. So convert the var type. So accept and run properly. But changing let so not work out and update value. Always initialize values access, not update. So this is a different between variable and constant. So